Welcome back. So this is the video that I made before, okay, but I'm still in the trade to show you that trend lines are very powerful. So I have been holding this trade for some time now because I was waiting for the market to get to this point. I was waiting for the market to get to this point before entering. So that was what I was waiting. I was waiting for the market, although I missed this one, but I was waiting for it to come back, if it may come back and hit this trend line here, and that is what it did. So I'm going to show you how I draw this trend line. Yes, so alright, although I have made a previous video concerning this, but I just still want to lay more emphasis on it. Alright, so I'm going to clean out everything here, and I will start from the beginning how I got those trend line, because you can see from this point here, at this point the market was consolidating. So whenever I see a consolidation, I always wait for the breakout. Alright, so that's what okay. So for me, I like to start my analysis from the higher time frame, which is the daily. I use the daily and scale down to my entry. Sometimes I do my entries in the 5 minutes, but I stay on the 15 minutes. Alright, so let me see how to use trend line. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use trend line for a perfect entry. So now, from here now, from what we can see, from this point, the market has been selling for many days. It has been selling here, but sellers were in power. So now the market now came here and stopped, and it reversed. The market is now in an uptrend. You might not see it here, but the market is as it reversed with this powerful bullish candle. So you can see this bullish candle here. That signifies a powerful sell. This candle here, alright. Sorry, that signifies a powerful buy. Alright. Okay, so let me zoom in. Okay, this candle, this big candle there, this one, you can see the power that buyers came into the market with. So now let me show you how I got this entry. So from my other time frame, I spot that the market was selling. Right, so initially I would have been looking for sell, but I didn't see all this downward trend. I didn't see them. So the market has been in a sell. Right, so I will swing this one to red. That's what I normally do, so that whenever I go to my higher time frame, I will know that this market is in a downtrend. Alright, so now the market has been in a downtrend and we have valid touches. And note, before a trend line will be valid, it has to have more than 2 or more touches. Now this one has, as you can see, it had more than one touch. 1 here, 2 here, 3 here. Alright, so this one is very valid, and you can see the market broke out of this trend line. It broke out of our trend line that we drew. It broke out to the upside. It broke out and it came back again. So now by that I know that the market has reversed to the upside. Okay, so now what I will do is that I will go down to my H4 and I will look for another trend going to the upside. Alright, I'll look for another trend. I'm coming. Give me some moment. Perfect. So I will look in the 8-4. I'm looking for another trend. So as you can see, I have seen another trend in the market. So let me draw that out. I've seen creating another trend, and this trend is telling us buy. So let me change that color to green so that I will always remember. Alright, so now this market is telling us buy from this trend line. Now it is telling us that the market has changed direction. It is now buying. As you can see, breakout and retest, and it's going up. So it's now, we are now buying. Alright, so I'll still scale down again from here. Okay, from here you can see nothing. Okay, you can see nothing here, so I will go down to the 30-minute. Okay, so from the 30-minute we still have another trend line. While using trend line, make sure you draw all the valid trend that you can see. Whenever there is a move up and a rest, this is which means that from here now, the market moved all the way straight up and it consolidated a little. This is called consolidation or pullback. It pulled back a little, touch here and move up. So you have to connect this point 1, 2. So if they do not align, you leave it until this price came back and touch it. Alright, so now I will go to my entry time frame again, which is the 15-minute. Alright, now this is what I do. Now from this 15-minute, as you can see, there were some confirmation that I saw before I took this trade, although I missed this. I could have entered my trade here, but I missed it. So I entered at this pullback. This pullback, I entered there. So from here you can see this is an M pattern. Sorry, this is W pattern. Some people call it double bottom. Yeah, I call it W pattern. As you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you go to the lower time frame, you will see this W pattern very well. So these are strong confirmation that this market will continue to move up, maybe for a long time. Alright, so that is how I get this trade. So from this point, the market was just consolidating. From here the market was just in a consolidation phase. All this place that I marked, we are just consolidation. Alright, until the price broke out of this consolidation. So stay tuned. If you like the video, like and subscribe so that I will be dropping more videos on how to use trend line for powerful entry. And again, I can see another trend here. The market has given us another trend. So I will draw this one here, you see. So now if I'm going to enter another position, I will have to wait until the market, until price goes up and push back to this trend line. If it touches this trend line, then I'm likely to enter. Yes, so that is how to use trend line for good entry. Like and subscribe for more. Thank you.